When the season changes and it becomes cold and wet outside, what's more comforting than a warm and cozy home? Unfortunately, many traditional heating systems have their drawbacks. Radiators can be burning hot, and they're still not able to heat a room evenly. The heat is transported by an airflow, which can feel annoying and stirs up dust. And rather than making you feel comfortable, most of the energy goes into heating up your ceiling. We can change this. We can remove bulky radiators and replace them with a heating system that's completely invisible, but immediately noticeable. Pipes silently distribute warm water evenly in the walls and under your entire floor. The pipes are laid in the screed, and thus a uniform heat distribution is guaranteed. Like the warmth of the sun, the heat is absorbed in the form of rays, which spread in every direction without creating a disturbing airflow. No more cold feet and no more hot heads. A manifold, the heart of the underfloor heating system, makes sure that the appropriate amount of heat is distributed to every corner of your home. Running on very low temperatures, underfloor heating systems are very energy efficient, especially combined with low energy sources such as heat pumps. Together they offer reliable comfort at minimized running costs throughout cold seasons. But what about hot summer months? Classic air conditioning may be a quick solution. However, forced air systems distribute cold air unevenly. Not only do they consume a lot of energy, they also create an unpleasant cold airflow and can proliferate mold and bacteria. As cold air drops to the ground, you find yourself dealing with cold as well as hot spots in the room. On a hot summer's day, you'd usually set the room temperature to 18 degrees Celsius to create a comfortable climate because of the uneven distribution. Cold water running through pipes integrated in the ceiling or walls cool your entire room evenly. No draft, no breeding ground for mold or microbes, no noise, and no dry air. The same way heating works in colder months, the combined surface cooling creates a healthy and comfortable indoor climate in a most efficient and sustainable way. But best of all is that the same system can be used for heating in winter, for even more efficiency and uniform distribution. No matter if your home needs to be heated or cooled, everything is taken care of by one single regulation system. If this isn't the simplest way to make your home the most comfortable place to be throughout all seasons, Pipelife, always part of your life.